What's going on, guys? It's Kai here and welcome back to another video. That's right, we're bringing back the live cops. We got a couple more live cops to show you and showcase to you in this video. Not only the live cops, we've also got some unboxings to do and also some very cool information that we will release at the end of the video. Not to mention also our very exclusive offer that will benefit you, and it is completely free. So make sure you stick around and watch all of today's video. So let's not waste any of your time. We have 3 drops upcoming. The first drop we are going to be showcasing is the Jordan 1 mid teals. These are like a navy blue sort of Jordan 1 mid, and we were running cyber for this drop. We're going to be running for Footlocker, which is the main site that we are botting at the moment, just because of the main fact of I work, so I cannot afford really to do shock drops. Footlocker is one of the only ones I can set up the day before, and I can run and not have to worry too much. So what am I using before we get into it? Well, every single live cop you'll most likely see in the future is going to be using Rampage retail proxies. Now guys, if you have not seen the recent podcast with Luckybot and Ryan, this goes through all about Rampage retail, and essentially it gives you every single proxy provider all in one server for a monthly subscription price. With this monthly subscription price, you'll get all these proxies for the lowest possible price. We're talking like £6 per gigabyte for Oxy and around the same price for Smart, all within this one server. So guys, check out that video if you want to learn more about it. However, Rampage Retail is going to be our long-term sponsor for proxies, because at the end of the day, it gives me everything I need, so that's what we're going to be using in today's drop. We'll also be running strafe servers, which is always the goat for servers, and I've never had any problems with that. So let's roll to the live cop footage. So we will be unboxing all of these shoes at the end of the video, but next up we do have a pair of Jordan 1 lows that we're releasing. The image is up on screen. However, again, we're running cyber, we're running Footlocker, we're running Rampage retail proxies, and with the strafe servers, the perfect combo you need for Footlocker. Running cyber once again, and I hope you enjoy the little live cop. Overall guys, them 2 drops went awesome, cannot complain at all. A lot of people did struggle for these Jordan 1 mids in the first live cop, however a lot of unlocked checkouts as well I did receive. So we did get 6 checkouts for the Jordan 1 mids and also 5 checkouts for the Jordan 1 lows, which we will unbox shortly. Now before we do get into the massive live cop for the ending, which is 20 checkouts, we do have a very exclusive offer for my cook group. Now before you skip through this guys, we're offering you 5 free days, no contracts, no fees, 5 free days within my cook group. Now, what is a cook group in the first place? Well, my cook group gives you all the information you need regarding sneakers. Whether this is release guides, whether this is all the raffle guides, where you can get these shoes from, how to increase your chances, guides, everything you need within this server. You can ask your questions, you can ask me. We're all here to help you start reselling and make your own sneaker business. That's going to be a 5-day free subscription for our tier 1 subscription. If that isn't enough, you can upgrade your subscription to tier 2 or 3, which is when you get the more advanced features such as monitors, random resale, NFTs, one-on-one call, backdoor service, and many more. What I'll do, guys, is the top link down in the description below will be to claim your 5 free days. This is a very exclusive offer, guys. We hardly ever do this. We'll probably run this for about a week and then stop it for the next couple months as well. So that'll be the top link down in the description to claim the 5 free days. And also, if you want to look at all the features of all the other tiers, the website will be the second link down in the description below. Now let's get into the final live cop. Now guys, the final live cop is a pair of dunk highs. Now I know a lot, and I mean a lot of people are going to say that these are bricks, these aren't going to sell, these don't make money. However, guys, we were providing free slots within the server. We were going to charge at start. However, we thought for a good brick flip, people can just have these for free pass. So we did run all of our members in the KaiKicks group, which is the cook group. And yeah, let's just say it went pretty well. Now, I know a lot of you are going to say these are bricks and these were easy hits. However, this was also easy for the members. They didn't have to do anything. We got them shoes. And even if they can make £5 to £10 profit, it's £5 to £10 profit that they can make profit on and build their business. So this one will be a very short live cop just to showcase these. And yeah, here you go. However, without further ado, let's get all the packages, let's unbox them, and let's talk a little about that. Let's get open some sneakers. Right, first 6 pairs of the Jordan 1 Mid Dark Teals have been unboxed. 6 pairs, we're looking at some nice profit. We'll get through that right now. Right, the Jordan 1 Mids. Now I think these weigh £115 retail. However, prices are actually looking great. Before people call these bricks, these have literally got some really good demand. It's a decent looking Jordan 1 Mid, and again, a decent looking colorway. So they're always going to be easy movers, especially Jordan 1 Mids. Now these are actually sitting above the 160 mark in some sizes, so we cannot complain at all. If you don't know, as I said before, Crep City is coming up. We have saved all of our stock for this. We are looking at about 60 to 70 pairs at the moment, so we are not lacking in the shoe section of things. Just because we're not selling at the moment, we are making sure we're going to take these sorts of shoes to Crep City to get that cash in hand and to make some more profit. The other Jordan 1 lows, they look quite nice. I'm quite surprised. The quality is actually banging on these, and you also do get a spare pair of laces, so you cannot complain at all. Nice pair of shoes. Let's pop you up and have a look at them. So the Jordan 1 lows, these are very nice, and as I said before, they have surprised me. I think these will go up in value over time, and we're looking at okay profit. I can definitely expect maybe £20 to £30 profit if I sell these locally, which I'm sure I can, as it is a very nice looking colorway. It does come with a spare pair of white laces. I think the other ones have the red ends, and these just have the white ends if you want to suit the style of the shoe. But yeah, great looking shoe. We did only go for money sizes for Footlocker, and it was quite easy to check out. So we've got a hell of a lot more. That's another 10 pairs just in the last week that we can get selling. Definitely make some profit on. As I said before, at least £30 profit on average probably on these pairs. So we're looking at nearly £300 profit just in this week once I get to selling these, and that is once I get to selling these. But yeah, guys, that is going to round off today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy. Remember to drop a like, comment, and subscribe. Drop that subscribe button, especially, guys. We're on a road to 5,000 subscribers. First link down in the description below if you want to claim that free 5 days. If you want to start learning reselling, get yourself into it, make some money, and let's get cooking. Let me and the team start helping you out. But apart from that, let me know what you think about this video. Let me know how you get on in the future releases. We've got some big releases coming up. So I hope you guys do have a good rest of your day, and good luck in all of your releases. Peace out, guys.